Hello, you caught me enjoying New England. So I actually have this video where I painted New England and I don't really know what to do with it, so I figured let's paint New England while I teach you about New England. I'm going to give you 5 facts and one of them is going to be fake, and it's your job by the end of this video to figure out which one is fake. Alright, let's go for this walk. It is strictly against the law to walk on your hands across a crosswalk in the capital of Connecticut. In 1931, there was a bill introduced in Maine that actually made it illegal to add tomatoes to your clam chowder. Maine actually has a desert. From 1866 to 1869, Rhode Island had a clam for a mayor. There are more than 500,000 gallons of maple syrup made in Vermont every year. Well, those are my facts to give you. I hope you learned a lot about New England. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you guess the right one? Because that's the fake one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the painting and I hope you enjoyed this very last minute thrown together video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. In New Hampshire, it's actually illegal for cows to sleep in your bathroom.